Good morning. Today we are in Wrightwood and we are going to go see if we could find a place to camp for the night. It's been a little smoky at our house, the fire going on, but today we're going to get out, got a day off, so we're going to have some fun today and not worry about what's going on at our home. So stay tuned and we'll see where we go.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Alright, so a little update. We made it to camp. We actually found 2 campgrounds. We decided on this one up here. The views are really good. And it's basically deserted. There's nobody here. We are the only ones here. The other campground did have somebody there. Unfortunately, we are going to have to cut this trip short because we're parked right over there, you can see. But we are in this smoke line of the bridge fire, which is going on in Florida. So you can see it behind me. That has gotten a lot worse since we've gotten here. So we're probably going to stay for another hour, 2 hours or so, do a little hike that's nearby. We're right off the PCT. So we're going to check it out, just stay here for the day, but we'll be back. This is definitely a great spot for us, but unfortunately we're going to have to cut it short. We really didn't want to do that, but the smoke's going to get too bad. It seems like it's going to get worse. So I mean, you can see it right there. And like I said, it was not like that when we got here. So it has grown a lot. So it's getting a little uncomfortable. Wind's picking up. So we're just going to have to postpone this trip for another day. But all in all, it's been a great trip. The views are nice and everything else. It's unfortunate the fire's going on. So we'll cut it short a little bit, but we'll be back. We'll definitely be back. There'll be a part 2 video up here, so stay tuned. What have we here? Look what we found. A little cabin. It's kind of neat. There's a little water source here too for the hikers. Look at that. I need a natural spring through here. So take a look inside. The water. Almost looks like a grave. Come on, girl. Come on. You got it. There you go. Oh, this is neat. That's really cool. Man, I wish we could stay here tonight. But with that fire, we're gonna have to get out of here. Fortunately. Come on, girl. Come on, you do it. This is Susie's first trip with us, so she's new to off-roading and camping and hiking. Don't know her story, but we're giving her a good one. So, oh, look at that. All right, let's get out of here. Well, today we answered the question, does a bear poop in the woods? The answer is maybe. I'm gonna stick around to find out. Come on. All right, so regarding my last video about how the fire was getting really bad, so the smoke was getting really bad, and we had to go to book it out of here, did a little hike, smoke was getting worse, and then we turned around and it looks like the fire itself has jumped. You can see it right there. We got flames going on over there too, so it's getting bad. So if there's anybody in this area, you need to get out of here like now. So we're getting home. We're gonna head home right now and book it out of here quick. final thoughts on today's trip. Started out really good. We decided to stay close to home because we know that the fire that we have going on near us is getting not terrible for us, but we're under an evacuation warning. So we decided, let's get out for a while, do it overnight. So we decided to head up to Wrightwood, which is about 30 minutes from where we live. From the time we left our house in Crestline to Wrightwood, skies were great, everything was good. We knew there was a fire in Glendora, the bridge fire. We knew that was going on. I kept an eye on it and thought, well, it's still pretty small. So we're like, well, we'll head down to the campsites that I had mapped out. We went to campsite A first, then went to B, and we decided that we wanted to stay in A. So there was one guy staying in Camp B, and then we got to A, and there was nobody there. So we decided on that one. Nice views around the ridge. Stopped and had lunch. Didn't even unpack everything. We just grabbed our lunch at the cooler. But from the time we left to the time we started having lunch, winds shifted really bad, and we started seeing more smoke. So we finally made the decision, let's just get out of here. We're close to home, let's just head home. We thought about going to another campground nearby up at Table Mountain, which we've been to before, but the town was getting so saturated with smoke that it was best just for us to leave. So, but at the same time, all is not lost, because we decided that we still like both campgrounds. We'll stay at both of them. So there will be future videos on that. However, while we were leaving, the town was really smoky. Wrightwood was really bad. And I just now got a warning on my app saying that the town of Wrightwood is now under evacuation. So it was a good thing we left when we did. And I hope that the people that were staying at not only a Lupine campground, but also the Blue Ridge campground, which is another campground that's right off the trail of where we were at, there were people there, and I hope they all got out safely. So stay tuned for future videos. We'll be doing another one up here soon, and hopefully everything will be better. We're just hoping that both fires get put out quick, and that everything goes fine, because it's a really beautiful area down there. Unfortunately, some of the places in Big Bear, near Big Bear, that we wanted to go to are burnt up. Trail 1N09 is almost completely gone, which is really unfortunate, because I had a lot of that mapped out too. But anyway, I'm starting to ramble. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. If you watched this far, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you around. Thank you.